students, welcome to Selection IS. Today we are going to know about the difference between the budget and interim budgets. So generally we understand that the budget is one of the most important aspects when we talk about the functioning of democratic government, and you understand that budget is important for imparting welfare program and managing the expenditure and the expenses of the government, right? So in this context we have a one term called interim budget, and sometimes there is confusion among the student between the interim budget and the full budget. So basically when we talk about the interim budget, though it is generally presented by the government that is in its last tenure of the 5 year. So it is not a full-fledged budget, and generally just carry the things that for about 2 or 4 months. For example, it is presented just before the general election. So in this year we have 2024, we have general election. So therefore this year has become a interim budget year. It passed without discussion in Lok Sabha. So there is no much debate and discussion over the interim budget. At the same time, it also includes the previous year income and expenses plus few months of expenses until the new government takes actually over. So the purpose of the interim budget is to maintain the continuity in the expenses and expenditure till the time new government get elected, and when that will come with the full-fledged budget. So as I mentioned to you that it actually covers the time duration approximately 2 to 4 months. It provides summary of the previous year's income and expenses. It doesn't actually propose any new program, new policies. It does not provide details of income sources and primarily focused on transitional expenses rather than the full-fledged budget that include new announcement, program, policies. So what is this full-fledged budget? So we understand under Article 112 it is mentioned, talk about full-fledged budget. It annually presented in the parliament. It passed after the complete discussion in the Lok Sabha. So there is a discussion and debate over the full-fledged budget. It is divided into 2 parts: previous year income and expenses, and the government plan for raising fund and utilizing the fund. And one more important fact, it encompasses the entire fiscal year, and it provides detailed information about the previous year income and expenses. It also actually describes way for fundraising through taxes and other measures, and it also focuses on the social welfare measures, overall development and the nation. For example, it announced funding for the fund for the Manrega and other important welfare initiatives, so that the life of the people could actually increase. So therefore it is an annual and a very important exercise, and every government come up with the budget, and that actually talk about and focuses on the citizens development and also development of the country. So this is all about the difference between the interim budget and the full-fledged budget. ऐसे ही रिलेवेंट एंड इम्पोर्टेंट चीजों को समझने के लिए आप हमसे जुड़ सकते हैं हमारे यूट्यूब के चैनल माध्यम सिलेक्शन IS से। धन्यवाद।